How do I enroll in Regions Bank Zelle?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today we will learn how to enroll in Regions Bank Zelle, an easy and convenient way to send and receive money. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can get started with Zelle right away.
What is Zelle?
Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money directly between almost any bank accounts in the U.S., typically within minutes. With just an email address or U.S. mobile phone number, you can send money to people you trust, regardless of where they bank.
What do I need to enroll in Regions Bank Zelle?
Before you begin, make sure you have the following. 1. A Regions Bank online banking account. You need to be enrolled in online banking to access Zelle. 2. The email address or mobile number of the person you want to send money to or receive money from. Note: if you're not enrolled in Regions Bank online banking, go to their official website and follow the instructions to enroll.
How do I enroll in Regions Bank Zelle?
Here is your step-by-step guide to enrolling in Regions Bank Zelle. 1. Log into your Regions Bank online banking account. 2. Go to the Payments tab and select Send Money with Zelle. 3. Now you need to enroll your email or U.S. mobile number. This is the information that others will use to send you money, and the destination for any funds you receive through Zelle. 4. Follow the prompts to finish the enrollment process. Once complete, you can start using Zelle right away to send and receive money.
What if I have issues with enrollment?
If you're having trouble enrolling in Zelle, don't worry. Regions Bank customer service is there to assist you. Simply reach out to them through their official contact channels for assistance. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to enroll in Regions Bank Zelle and are ready to start sending and receiving money with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!